And picked up myself some Honeywell shop lights. Except these guys are great because that's actually what that is over there. But there's an inherent flaw that absolutely drives me crazy. What's going on, team? Hope you guys are doing well this holiday season. I want you guys to bask in the glory that is the space I now have in my garage. It looks so much better in here. If you guys haven't seen what it looked like before, link up above for you guys to check it out. But I know it's not done. I still got some bins and things laying around over here that I still got to work on. But those are things I have done for holiday season and all that. But today we're going to address one of the biggest pain in the butts I've had since day one of recording anything in this garage. And that's going to be the big, massive, fiery sun. Alright, just to prove a point for you guys, I have my LED light off to the side over here. And I still have my garage closed 3/4 of the way down to help keep the audio okay, even though there's a pretty good echo in here now. So that way I don't get too much hotspot on my face. You've seen in previous videos where it didn't come out too good because I was trying to get a really cool shot and didn't work out so well. You can see the hotspot down here in the bottom of my toolbox already. That's a problem. Now these have a 5,000 Kelvin temperature color, so it's a little more pure white, not that yellow tint you get on some of the bulbs, which matches the old ones and the LED fixture I have in my garage already, so they're all going to shine the same color. That's pretty important. And also the color 5,000 Kelvin works really well for shop lights. A little harder on the eyes, but gives more clarity in what you're seeing and pierces through some of the darkness better. Now these guys are linkable, so I can take this one and plug it into this one and then power them both. Good. Which is great, except for the fact you figure when they're linked together, if I pull one cord, you would expect that both would shut off, wouldn't you? This is the one connected to the outlet. No, they do not. Why, Honeywell? Do you mean to tell me I can link up to 6 of these together and I have to pull the cord on every single one? What if I bought 25 of these for a warehouse? So I went on Amazon, as usual, and I found this. Now it's not just an ordinary power strip, it has a remote. So I can actually turn these individually on and off. Now I didn't get one that has Alexa built in or Bluetooth that I do it from my phone because I don't always have my phone on me, or if my phone's dead, I want to be able to use this to turn it on and off, especially if like my wife's coming in the garage or something. I can mount this to the wall, hit the button, and it's on off like a normal switch, not have to go get the cell phone. I haven't tried this. I don't know if this is going to work. There we go. Alright. Both are on. Both are plugged into this power strip with the remote. See if it works. Yes. Now I can plug everything into one outlet, link the 4 together, and turn them on and off from the switch, which I'll just mount this right by the light switch for the garage. So that way when I walk out, I hit that button, hit the other button, boom, everything's illuminated. This one will be on a separate circuit on its own because I don't normally stand here if I'm working in the garage, in the car over there. But when I'm working here, I will use this light by pulling it because it doesn't need to be on all the time. The other ones, I want to illuminate every time I'm going to be working on a project. I don't want to spend 20 minutes setting up my garage just to start. I want to get right into it. So, make it simple means I'm going to work on the cars more. Yay! Each one of these guys came with the mounting hardware kit, which is great, but the extensions weren't long enough. So I had to get some Amazon basic extensions, again, link below for you guys. That way if you need to pick some up to do your garage. But I'm going to actually mount these directly to my ceiling, even though they did come with chains to hang everything up with. I'm not going to hang these. I'm going to mount them all the way up because I want the light to disperse further out, more filling the area, not just more direct like I do on my workbench where it hangs lower to give more direct light. Now, first things first, let me lay it out so that way I can plan out everything accordingly. I have an idea, but let's see if I do it right. this worked out fantastic. So much better lighting in here. This looks so good. Now, I got a few things to add. First off, I did not end up using what came with the kit to put in the ceiling because these things are huge and I didn't want to put massive holes in my ceiling. So I just used some standard stuff I had floating around. No big deal. Will this work? Yeah, it'll work just fine. Biggest problems I had was getting these to sit straight. Some of them are kind of crooked still. They're going to function as lights, so I'm not worried about it. And I got to get a couple of stick-on cable holders to cable manage these better so they're not hanging down like they are. They're not bad, but I want to get them up cleaner, tighter, make the garage look nice. But that's about it. Appreciate you guys for watching. Thank you. Thank you much. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up if you liked the video and all that. Till next time. Peace.